Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best snowboard wax iron is probably one of the most important tools for snowboarders looking to maximize their performance on the slopes. A good wax iron ensures your board glides smoothly, increasing speed and control while reducing friction and improving edge grip, ultimately leading to a more enjoyable and efficient snowboarding experience. Choosing the right iron can significantly impact the longevity and effectiveness of your snowboard wax, making your investment worthwhile. Number 5. Demon Complete Tune Kit. This kit has everything you need for a basic tune-up and waxing of your skis or snowboard. It's perfect for keeping your equipment in top shape all season long. You'll find a flat file, edge tuner, wax scraper, tuning stone, wire brush, high-quality wax, an adjustable temperature iron, a polishing pad, P-Tex, and a durable carrying case. Everything is included for a complete tune-up. The wax is made in the USA, contains no PFCs, and is made from high-grade wax and polymers. It's designed for optimal performance in any season and snow condition. The included case is built to last, with plenty of pockets and storage for your entire kit and iron. It even has a strap so you can hang it up for easy access. Demon United is based in Utah, and we're dedicated to creating high-quality products that help you enjoy your winter sports to the fullest. Shred on! What we like. This kit boasts premium, domestically produced wax, ensuring superior quality and performance. It's an all-in-one solution with everything you need for a complete tune-up. The included bag is built to last, making it perfect for frequent use and travel. If you value quality and convenience, this is the kit for you. What people say. When needing speed to hit flat sections at Park City's mountain, I was passing everyone in our group and never needed to unstrap once, which was great and unexpected. It's also taught him a skill which has turned into a little side gig for him. He now waxes all his buddies' boards. Has everything you need to wax, sharpen and fill deep scratches on a snowboard. Number 4. Winterial Snowboard Tuning Kit. Get ready to hit the slopes with confidence. This kit has everything you need to keep your snowboard in top condition, ensuring smooth rides and peak performance all season long. It's all here. A multi-angle edge tuner, all-temperature wax, a wax iron, scrapers, P-Tex rods, and more. Everything you need for a complete tune-up is included in one convenient kit. Sharpen your edges with precision using the ergonomic multi-angle tuner. Achieve the perfect 87 to 90 degrees angle for optimal grip and control on any snow condition. This adjustable iron heats up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, ensuring even wax application. The perfectly sized hot plate makes waxing quick and easy, no matter the weather. Regular tuning significantly improves your board's performance. It enhances control, speed, and extends the life of your equipment, keeping you safe and having fun on the mountain. All the tools fit neatly into a durable carry bag, making it easy to take with you wherever you go. Quick touch-ups on the mountain are now a breeze. What we like. This kit's multi-angle tuner allows for precise edge sharpening, maximizing control and performance. The versatile iron works across a wide temperature range, accommodating various wax types and snow conditions. Its compact design makes it ideal for travel and quick on-the-go tuning. If you need precision and portability, this is your best bet. What people say. This works as good as a professional wax. Everything included worked perfectly. All you need for snowboard tuning, light repair. Apron blew my mind. Number 3. Swix North Forged Wax Iron. This is the Swix North Forged Waxing Iron, your new best friend for perfectly waxed skis and snowboards. Its adjustable temperature ensures optimal performance for all your snow adventures. It features a superior forged aluminum base for even heat distribution. This means quick and efficient waxing, saving you time on the slopes. With its precise temperature control dial, you'll achieve the perfect wax temperature every time. Say goodbye to uneven wax application. This iron is designed for 110V outlets and offers a wide range of adjustable temperatures. It's versatile enough for all types of waxes and snow conditions. Whether you're a skier or snowboarder, it's perfect for you. It's designed to work seamlessly with both skis and snowboards. Built to last, it's a durable and reliable tool that will serve you for seasons to come. Enjoy perfectly waxed equipment with ease. What we like. It features an adjustable temperature setting for precise wax application, catering to different wax types and snow conditions. Its universal design works seamlessly with all skis and snowboards. The sleek black design is stylish and professional. If you prioritize temperature control and versatility, this iron is for you. What people say. I've been using a good full-size iron with holes and it's hard to get at the right temp to not produce smoke. This iron is perfect. I got it the right temp first time and it didn't smoke at all. Spread evenly. Seems like a heavy-duty metal base. Picked this up as an upgrade to my old Dakine iron that is probably 15 years old at least, not even the same style as these newer versions. I really like this one and it's a good size. Not really sure about how accurate the temp gauge is on the dial, but after a use or two, I got it dialed in where it does a great job and doesn't smoke the wax. I had a Demon iron that came with a waxing kit. That one was tiny and took a long time to spread the wax on my boards. Just used the Swix iron today and it's so much better. It spreads the wax faster and I like how big it is compared to the other one, so much easier to hold with the bigger handle. Number 2. XCMAN Ski Snowboard Tuning Kit. This comprehensive kit has everything you need to tune and wax your skis or snowboard, saving you time and money on professional tuning. It's perfect for families or anyone who enjoys hitting the slopes regularly. This innovative edge tool sharpens and bevels your edges with precision. You'll be able to dial in the perfect angle, from 1 to 4 degrees, ensuring optimal performance on the slopes. The included wax iron features a temperature range from below 100 degrees Celsius to 170 degrees Celsius, allowing for precise wax application based on snow conditions. Its curved plate helps to efficiently melt and distribute the wax. The large tool bag keeps everything organized and secure. It has multiple pockets and straps, offering plenty of space for all your tuning tools and even extra items. The kit includes a 100G bar of high-quality training wax, suitable for approximately 12 applications. You'll also find scrapers, brushes, P-Techs, and other essential accessories for a complete tuning experience. With this kit, you have all the tools necessary to maintain your skis or snowboard in top condition. Enjoy a smoother, faster, and more controlled ride every time you hit the slopes. What we like. This comprehensive kit includes everything you need for a complete ski or snowboard tune-up, perfect for families or those with multiple boards. The edge tool offers unparalleled precision for side edge sharpening, ensuring optimal performance. The large, well-organized bag keeps everything neatly stored. If you need a complete solution with a focus on edge tuning, this is the kit for you. What people say. It is a very good starting kit for waxing, edge work, and small repairs. Iron is easy to use and it heats up quickly. The iron did a great job. Turning it to the temperature setting described on the wax gave the wax a quick melt with zero burning. Number 1. Swix T77 Economy Wax Iron. This is the Swix T77 Economy Waxing Iron, perfect for skiers and snowboarders of all levels. It's surprisingly affordable without sacrificing quality or performance. It rivals much more expensive models. Durable and reliable, it's ideal for beginners and hobbyists alike. With its ergonomic design and wide metal plate, it's easy to use on all types of skis and snowboards. The angled design helps maintain a consistent speed while waxing. It offers precise temperature control, ranging from 80 to 170 degrees Celsius. This allows you to apply both glide and grip wax with ease. It boasts a powerful 1000-watt heating element and a large metal plate for quick and even heating. It melts wax quickly and efficiently. Whether you're into alpine, Nordic skiing, or snowboarding, it's the perfect tool for maintaining your equipment. It's a must-have for racers and tourers. What we like. This iron offers high performance at an economical price point, making it perfect for beginners and hobbyists. It features easy temperature adjustment for precise wax application and a wide metal plate for even heat distribution. Its simple design makes it easy to use. If you're on a budget but don't want to compromise on quality, this is the iron for you. What people say. Works really well, the base is nice and big and it heats up super quick. The stand built into the back is really convenient because when you're done you can stand the iron up so it can radiate heat away without cooking the electronics, so this will last longer than a normal winter sports iron. This wax iron has been with us for 9 years now and it has held up very well. We wax our skis about 4 times a year, and it does the job. The iron heats up quickly and melts nicely on the skis. I read lots of reviews about irons before purchasing this one. I'm pleased to say it works really well, having just waxed my snowboard. It is small and light enough to carry in your backpack, so when you get the hotel or condo you can do your waxing. This one clearly shows they are in Deg C and the instructions include a conversion table. I like that the power cord moves through 90 degrees or it connects to the body, and also the bevel edge at the rear of the iron to make it easier to lift off your board if there is any suction when waxing. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.